All right, let me show you something that sounds like a scammy headline, but it's actually just smart marketing. What if I told you there's a free app where you can literally give someone a free $5, and you get a free $5 too? No, you don't have to buy a boat. No, you don't have to sell your soul. And no, this isn't one of those pay $97 to learn the secret deals. This is Save Club's free app, and the concept is simple. The big idea. Save Club is built around savings, helping people save money on things they already do. And here's the twist. Sharing savings is rewarding. The 3-step $5 loop. Let me break it down exactly how the page explains it. Step 1. You share the app. Step 2. When they use the app, they get $5, and you get $5 for telling them. Step 3. You can do it again, and again, and again. There's a Make Unlimited $5 message right on the page. Now, I'm a retired teacher, not a magician. So let's talk math. How much do you want? Give away 10 apps, make $50. Give away 20 apps, make $100. Give away 50 apps, make $250. Give away 100 apps, make $500. That's not a promise of income, that's just the math of $5 rewards if people complete the action. Where does the $5 even come from? Great question. The page answers it like this. Big brands use rewards as part of their marketing budget to encourage shopping, and they're funding these incentives. They also address the common objections. Of those, do you have to pay anything to earn the $5? No, just download and share from inside the app. Is there an income cap? No cap is stated on the page. What if you're not in the U.S.? The page says you can still share it with people who live in the U.S. So here's the real question. How many people do you know who would enjoy saving money and wouldn't mind getting a free $5 for trying something? If you want the app, click the button on this page and follow the download instructions. And if you want me to help you set it up and show you exactly how the sharing works, message me SAVE, and I'll walk you through it. Let's stop paying full price like it's a hobby.